Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys what I purchased from the VIB Sephora sale. I just got my package, so I wanted to show you guys what I bought. It's not that many products. For some reason, there weren't that many new products at Sephora that I was excited about, but there was one that I had my eye on and I was waiting for the sale for me to purchase it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sylvia. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me open this up. I actually got the package really fast. It says something on the website that because of like high orders, packages are delayed. I don't think it took longer than usual, so that was interesting because I wasn't expecting for me to get the package so quickly. So I'm a VIB Rouge member, so I got 20% off. If you're not Rouge, you get 15% off, I believe. So it's definitely worth it to purchase during the sale. So I always try to purchase something during a sale because, girl, I'm trying to save some money. So this is the main thing that I had my eye on for the sale. I didn't want to purchase it before the sale because it was released so close to the VIB sale. So I just figured I would wait for the sale to purchase the palette, and I'm actually really happy that I did. So I already knew that I wanted it, and I actually went to Sephora the other day before the sale, saw the palette in person, and I was like, yes, I'm buying that during the sale. It is so freaking beautiful, you guys, especially in person. I don't think on camera like it does it justice, but this packaging is stunning. I love it so much. It's like holographic. Let me know if you also purchased the Jackie Aina palette during the sale. Alright guys, so this is the palette and it's so pretty. I love these colors. They're not just like any holographic type of colors. They're like purple, peachy, pink. The packaging feels really, really nice. Love this packaging. You guys can probably see it better from here, but it's like green, blue, purple. Whenever you shift the palette, it feels really nice too. I think this palette suits really well for like medium to deep skin tones. I love Anastasia eyeshadows. I'm just really excited to play around with this palette. I'm just gonna swatch it. Really pretty shade for the fall. There's a lot of shades in here that I feel like would be really pretty and perfect for the fall, which I'm excited about. So it's not like a summer palette in my opinion. I feel like there's a lot of like warm tone shadows in this palette that would be like really good for the fall because they're deep tones, and I'm just excited to try out these shadows. Those are some swatches of the palette, and these colors look so rich and pigmented. I just want to put them on my eyes already. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna use this palette tomorrow. I can't wait. So the next product is the Viseart Blotting powder. I have been wanting this for a very long time, but I just never wanted to pay full price for it because I think it's like $32 for a blotting powder. I just don't feel like the price justified it, but every time I saw somebody use it, and Fenty Beauty's makeup artist, every time she uses this powder, it looks so good. Like, it just mattifies the skin, takes away any shine, but it still looks flawless. Like, I'm actually gonna put it on right now because I was outside. I've been having my makeup on for a few hours, and it comes with a mirror. Perfect to have like in your purse. It's a really good mirror. I feel like the packaging is a little bulky, just a little bit. It comes with this little pad thingy, I guess. I'm gonna brush it in here. What the heck? That did not mess up my makeup underneath at all. And it doesn't even feel like I had put anything on my face. And I really needed a blotting powder because in the summer my skin gets so oily and shiny. Alright guys, so this is how my face looks, and I feel like it took the shine away. My makeup looks good. I feel like it didn't disturb my makeup at all. It doesn't feel like I'm putting anything on my face, which I like because once I start putting more powder on top of my face, when my face is oily, it starts to get cakey, and then it starts to feel cakey, and I don't like that. So I really, really like the powder as a first time using it. Okay, so the next product is the Briogio Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Cap System. So this is a 2-in-1 hair repair system. It says visibly repairs and straightens, enhance, softens, and silkiness. Contains natural oils, vitamins, and antioxidants. Okay, so I freaking love Briogio. I love their hair products, and there are cruelty-free vegan products as well, so I love them. I saw that they had released this and I really wanted to try it out because I have really dry hair because I dye it. It does damage my hair, and so then my hair, it gets really dry because of the shampoo that I use for blonde hair. I really wanted to try out like actual hair treatment because I never do that. I really want to see if it makes a difference in my hair, but it comes in these packs. The bottom part has like the treatment, so you're supposed to like rip this off, and then this part right here comes with the treatment. You're supposed to put it on your hair, and then this packet right here comes with the cap, and I think the cap is infused with more hair treatment. So I'm really excited to try this out. This looks pretty interesting to me, and I haven't seen really anything like this before, and it seems really easy to use. Yeah, so I'm really excited to try it out and see if it like does any good to my hair because it really needs it. It comes with 4 of these. Alright guys, so the next product is from Viseart, and this is Palette de Maquillage Professionnel. Sorry, I read the top part of the packaging. It's professional makeup palette. So Viseart is another cruelty-free brand, if you guys didn't know. They're from Paris, as you guys can tell. So this is a very expensive palette. Original price is $80. So it was on sale for $56, and then with my discount I got a 20% off on top of the $56. So I figured that I try out the palette because that is just a really good deal because the original price is $80. So this is a corrector contour camouflage HD palette. So these are concealer cream shades. So this is the little palette. It comes with 16 shades. Viseart creates really like high quality makeup and products. They're pretty pricey. They're up there like Natasha Denona, but I feel like quality is a little better in my opinion. The packaging, not so much. I don't really like their packaging. It just comes like a plastic container. Not a fan of that, but these are all of the concealer and contour shades. There's 2 palettes. This is palette number 1. I feel like these shades up here, like this one would be like a really good color correcting shade for under the eyes. These shades down here I feel would be good for contouring. This one really good for like highlighting. The yellow one right here. The green is really good color correcting redness. So if I have like a blemish or anything like that, I feel like I would be able to use that shade right there. So I feel like I would have like a lot of uses for this palette. I just really wanted a good color correcting palette because I don't really have a good one. I think I want to try just when I feel like color correcting. Now I have the option, so that's why I purchased the palette, and also because it was on sale. I also like to cream contour sometimes. We shall see. Alright guys, so the last product is this liquid lipstick. So this is from Kat Von D. It's the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Some of her liquid lipsticks were on sale, so then with the 20% off, I got a bigger discount on the liquid lipsticks, and I like her formula a lot. Her lipsticks are vegan and cruelty-free. So this is in the shade Malice, and it's like an orangey red shade. Kat Von D's packaging is always really nice. The packaging on her liquid lipsticks is stunning. I'll swatch it on the back of my hand. It's definitely like a red orange, super vibrant. Sometimes I just love wearing like a really good red orange or red shade, and I feel like this is just a really pretty bright red. It was a really good price, so I went ahead and purchased the lipstick, and I like her formula a lot, so that was a no-brainer. Alright guys, so that is my Sephora VIB sale haul. Let me know what you guys purchased during the sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!